Ladies and gentlemen, in status quo, we believe that developing countries are still extremely facing the difficulty of providing job or even to provide a proper vacations for the local people. That's why we think that the government needs such an alternative way to provide it to to give a better economy and and a livelihood for the local citizen itself. We believe that the developing countries should require foreign companies in operating in its territory to have minimum quota of hiring the local workers. How are we going to define how are we going to define the requirement, the requiring requiring the foreign company to have a minimum quota? We means that we would like to set all the company who are going to operate in our territory to sign and to follow our regulation regarding to hiring the local workers or even paying tax, for example. And how we're going to define the local workers? We say that in the territory, the current problem is not about the quality of the citizen, but it's about the quality of the government in providing the field. There are two kinds of society who really needs the job from the foreign company itself. First is the local citizen, which the local citizen who is who is educated enough after graduating from the high school, for example, that we think that it is they are qualified enough to work. And secondly, those citizen who are not skillful enough to work, but in the end of the day they can still be trained by the foreign company, right? So what is our goal to require the foreign company to have a minimum quota of local workers? We say that by this we're going to decrease the existence of poverty. We're going to accelerate the economy development of the society, or even best, we are going to decrease the existence of the of employer in our nation. We think really problematic and quite big issue in our nations. Three arguments I'm going to start my speech with. First, the ability of a government to provide a job. And second argument, why is the developing country deserve to get this help? And lastly, why it is okay for the local workers to get in work, to get in the company itself. Number one, we think that we all agree that the developing countries government is still facing difficulties, or even they do not have the capability in providing a proper job for the people, so the people can go out or even open get to be a better economy, right? So that's why we think that we have to start, we have to do a alternative to from the government to do a better pace or even step, right? However, it is okay for the foreign company to hire the local workers, or even it is okay for the for the government to regulate the foreign company to have a local minimum of quota. Because however, it is the responsibility of the foreign company to hire the local workers, right? This is why in our mechanism that I'm going to explain you, we have to make a tight regulation and how they will operate and how is the minimum quota they're going to accept. Why is the second argument, why developing country deserve this help? We agree that like a foreign company like Unilever, for example, like Newmont and Freeport, they have they have had very little tax for Indonesia. For example, which Indonesia is developing country, which is very ironic from what they have got from the Freeport itself, right? So that's why we think that by the small tax that they pay, we need to make a better regulation and requirement that they needs to accept local worker according to how many workers that they have to take according to the regulation that we have already given. Lastly, why it is okay for us to hire, why it is okay for the local workers to work in the company? Number one, three reasons, right? Number one, not all, why it is okay? Because not all the workers can dominate, can dominate all sectors in the company. What does that mean? It means that the foreign companies still have the right to bring the foreign workers from their country that they trust, for example, to work in expert field, for example, in manager, for example, and we can we can they can hire a local workers to work under the control of the manager who is originally from their country, for example. And second reasons, they can control, and second reason, if the local workers, they think is they are not still trained enough or capable to work, they still have the right or even the responsibility to train them. What does that mean? We understand that all company have their own standard in hiring labor, right? If Indonesia, if a developing countries, for example, don't have a capable workers, they still have the right, or even we require them to train the local worker in order they will have like a better worker in operating the company itself, right? So what is going to happen in the end of the day? We think that by this scenario, the government can easily release the society from the unemployment, or even release them from the poverty itself, right? Because we believe that we can categorize the country is developed, or even is developing by how many society are still not working, or even by the GDP, for example. That's why we think that it is urgent to begin with. So goes from all the argument, we believe that the developing countries should require the foreign companies. So that's why we proudly propose.